Hi kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coloring ice cream. Let's make some yummy ice cream. I am coloring its first part. Kids, do you like ice cream? Yellow color. I am coloring second part of ice cream with yellow color. Sky blue color. I am coloring third part of ice cream with sky blue color. Dark pink color. I am coloring ice cream cone with dark pink color. Light green color. I am coloring stick. And now I am coloring second ice cream. Purple color. I am coloring ice cream with purple color. Pink color. I am coloring second layer of ice cream. Yellow color. I am coloring third layer of ice cream. Blue color. I am coloring ice cream stick with blue color. Kids, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel to get every new video. Red color. I am coloring cherry with red color. Green color. Yellow color. Now I am coloring cup ice cream. I love ice cream so much. Do you like to eat ice cream? Light pink color. I am coloring ice cream. Red color. Now I am coloring ice cream cup with red color. One layer, two layer. I am coloring second layer of ice cream with red color. And last third layer. Blue color. I made rainbow ice cream today.
Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more fun drawing videos. Thanks for watching.